Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today we will discuss how to find best deals on eBay. So before we start, basically to find the best deals on eBay, you need to use filters, and I will show you how to do it. So firstly, open eBay application on your device. And then tap on the searching bar at the top of your screen and type in the product you're looking for. For example, I want to buy some headphones, and tap search button. When these results appear on your screen, you need to set the filter. And to do that, you need to tap on the filter icon that is located in the upper left corner of your screen. And here you need to look for the option sort. Here it is, sort, and you need to make sure that the option best match is enabled, and this will display you the most relevant listings based on your search when you have this option chosen. But for better deals, you can also select lowest price plus shipping, and this will allow you to access the lowest priced listings, or for example, you can select newly listed to find the fresh deals. But if you are looking for items with a discount, make sure to check regularly the section called deals, and this section can be found by entering the home page, and then you can see at the top of the screen you can see deals section. Tap on it, and here you can see very good prices. And also when setting the filters, you can also select auction. So again, back to search, filter, and here you can see that you have some formats how you can buy this specific product, and you can select auction, and here you can have a great deal by bidding with other buyers. And eventually, when you find the product that you're interested in, you just need to tap on it to open the details of the product, and you need to read through this description, see the shipping options and return policy of this item, and again, don't forget to check this deals section. So that's basically it, how you can find the best deals on eBay. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave your thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.